Today, I will be talking to you about the tropical rainforest. Now, the tropical rainforest is huge, but it only takes up 2% of the earth and contains 50% of the population of animals and plants. Now, for the name of tropical rainforest, it must contain a lot of rain, right? Well, that's true. But with all this rain comes bad soil. This is due to the fact that the soil and the nutrients in the soil gets washed away because of all the rain. Now, speaking of rain, let's talk about temperature too. The temperature is a steady 75 degrees Fahrenheit with annual rainfall. Here it can get pretty humid as well, with 77 to 88% humidity. It is usually pretty hot here and wet, which is why it's humid all the time. But this can be good for our large array of plants and animals. We have these huge plants in the tropical rainforest and trees. Now, here's to put into perspective. About 1/4 of the natural meds have been discovered in rainforests. And within 4 square miles, you will find 1,500 flowering plant species and 750 different types of trees. And many of these plants are used to cure cancer as well. All these plants, there are 1/3 of the plants are in the rainforest. Actually, more than that, which is crazy. And when we're talking about animals, you will see a lot of reptiles, mammals, birds, and invertebrates. This really includes everything, and this is why it's such a huge habitat for so many animals. Now, let's get on the topic at hand, cocoa. And especially, what does cocoa go into? Brownies. That's what I had brought today. Cocoa is huge in our economy. Just imagine what would happen if cocoa was wiped out. We'd probably lose a lot of money, and we would lose chocolate and many other desserts that you love. Even not desserts. It goes in everything. Now, cocoa is very bitter at first, but you sweeten it up, and that's how you get the brownies you have today. These chocolate brownies. Now, I'd like to define for you trophic cascade. This is when there is an addition or subtraction of the top predators in an area. And this can cause a lot of changes in an environment, which can be bad or good, but mostly bad, because this kind of flips the whole food chain around, and you don't want that. Okay, now that about wraps this up. So thank you for listening, and peace out, brother.